Disconnect all power from the refrigerator. Locate the water supply valve and turn to the off position. Locate the blue water valve clip on the 90-degree elbow and remove the clip. Next, remove the tubing from the 90-degree elbow. Remove the vent cover backing by removing the Phillips head screws and set aside. Locate the compressor board. Remove all wire connectors that are connected to the compressor board. Remove the Phillips head screw that secures the board to the compressor. Then pull the compressor board away from the compressor so you can access the white harness. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry the plug from the compressor's three-prong connector. Remove the old control board. Insert the new compressor board and attach the white harness of the new control board to the compressor. Secure the new control board in place with screws. Reattach the wire harness and the spade terminals to the compressor board. Install the vent cover backing by hand tightening the screws to hold it in place. Then tighten the screws down. Insert the tubing into the 90-degree elbow water valve. Lock tubing into place by using the blue water valve clip. Turn water supply valve to the on position. Reconnect all power to the refrigerator.